Hi learner, in this tutorials we will discuss about the cross cultural managements. So unit 1, this topic will be how do people react to the cultural difference. Okay, so this is the dedicatedly for the APD Abdul Kalam University. Okay, look, how do people react to the cultural difference. Okay, so a sense of a humor is important because in the another culture so many things can be lead to the instant emotions. Sadness, what do you mean by the sadness? When the people's sorrow with something happened with in a life, so this is the coming for a sadness. Okay, and anger, when the two peoples are quarrel with each other, so the anger will be increases. Embarrassment, if any peoples will be like working with any organization but something will be happened, so embarrassment will be feelings. Discouragement, so all are the related to the cultural difference. Okay, so here are the 10 points, 10 tips of the responding to cultural differences. What is the 10 points? Okay, how to engagement different the cultures engage. Okay, so the first point is the keep on open minded. What is the mean by the open minded? When the people directly say to ask any question in a class, it is the open minded. If you don't know about the anything and in a class and then you are sitting in a keep quiet, this is the, it's not open minded. If it's a open minded, you can say the ability to keep the opinions and flexible and respective to an important to in cultural adjustment. If you are not adjusting to any cultural other cultural system, so it's not like open minded. Even if you don't understand why people do particular things, to be careful not to just to conclusion. Okay, second point, the learn to cope with failures. If you have a working with any organization and then your performance is not, it's not like your failure, you're learning some things. So learning is a to tolerance failure is a criticals, because everyone is a fails at the something overseas. Okay, third point is the be flexible. What do you mean by the be flexible? Flexible in the sense of you are ready for the anything. It's not like anything you can like just tolerate. Okay, so the ability to respond or to tolerate to a new situation is every important to in cultural success. Keeping the options open and judgmental behavior to minimum help you ad- adapt well. It means here that you are ready for anything, like you are ready for to work for. It's not like I'm going for a work, I'm afraid of about the work, what's manager will be assigned to work with me. So it's not, you are flexible. Okay, you can do it. So like that your mentality will be, we need to increase. Okay, maintain a healthy curiosity. Curiosity the demonstrated the desire to know about other people, places and idea. If you like if you're working with any South Indian person, so if you are like belongs from the North Indian, so we need to, if you are going any other places, so your curiosity, oh no, okay, if I am going to another people's, something will be learn, some idea will be giving, some opinion, so with is ready for that. And hold positive and realistic expectation. What is the mean by expectation? If you are like working in any organization and then your expectation will be more key, if my salary will be increased but sometimes your work performance is not, so the expectation will be not matching. So there are the strong correlation between the positive expectation for intellectual experiences and successful adjustment overseas. Being realistic in the what to expect will help you feel prepared for any situation. Okay, here the sixth point, be tolerant of a differences. A systematic sympathetic understanding of a belief of a parasitic different from your own way to be a successful intellectual adjustment. It's tolerate. If you're working in any organization, we need to some tolerance will be applied. Okay, some like some organization will be good, some organization will be bad, something if your organization in some area will be it's good, some area will be it's not like getting providing good. Okay, So it depend on the some tolerance will be applied. Okay, regards other positively. Okay. The ability to express the warmth and empathy, respect, and positive regards for the other person in important component of a effective intellectual relation. Try to of things and reality enjoy think and things. Okay, you reality enjoy the like about the your cultural and embarrassment difference. Okay, so the 8 point is the be good gets just a guest is someone homes and you will never remark about the dirty kitchen and the terrible foods and the crazy sitting arrangements. A traveler, you are the board of the senses going into the someone's homes and so respect. If you're anyone come to your home, so it's not like judging, it's not like it's not sitting good way, it's not like giving the respect. So that type of mentality we need to like overcome in a different cultural difference. Okay, 9 point is have a sense of a humor. If any one person you don't have any sense, it means sense like what is the it's workable or not, it's good or bad. So your brain will be as per your knowledge you can judge it. Okay, the sense of a humor is important because of another culture. So many things that lead to be instant emotions and sadness, anger, okay, embarrassment, and then discouragement, all are the common. Okay, 10 point is the very important. Have a fun. If any if you do anything, so it's like a some fun will be required for your increasing your positivity, increasing your productivity. So it's okay to knowledge cultural difference and don't take them too seriously and don't hold it on I am right you are wrong. So that type of attitude we need to like uh, reduce, relax, and have a fun and enjoy with a new friend. So this is the our tutorials. Thanks for watching.